Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to defeat T1 Trap and Evony. A T1 Trap is a city stacked with millions of Tier 1 troops, often supported by strong buildings and high-level generals. Individually weak, these troops absorb damage in huge numbers, winning by attrition rather than strength. The best way to defeat a T1 Trap are use range attacks. Higher tier range marches with buffs work best. Generals like Elise or Minamoto are reliable choices. Rallies over solo attacks. Meanwhile, coordinated attacks reduce losses and stack debuffs more effectively than solo hits. Siege attacks great for wiping out large T1 armies with minimal losses, especially in cities lacking anti-siege buffs. Remove defensive layers first, take out higher tier protective layers to expose the T1 core, then repeat until the city falls. Focus on rage, coordination, and strategy. These are key to overcoming massive T1 traps efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.